Got a free lawnmower from some wealthy people who got a riding lawnmower and didn't need any more. I put some fresh gas in it and it cranked right up. So it runs good, cuts good. Nice little lawnmower. Push mower. And then I got this nice sprayer. Look at this sprayer. Only been used one time. Works great. Got the attachment, the hose and all that. You hook it up. You hook it on the back of a lawnmower, riding lawnmower, or in the trailer of a lawnmower that you pull behind, and there you go. You spray your fertilizer or whatever that you need to spray. It gave me a gas can too, so all I had to do was stop and get gas in that for the lawnmower. And yep, I'm blessed, and I hope they're blessed. Pretty cool. Let me just show you. This thing runs, so you don't think I'm fooling with you. Oh, now it doesn't want to start. Hold on. Gotta prime it.